Yeah, visit the skyline in Virginia for the winter. I mean the for the autumn flucture. It be really nice, but we are went down there a bit late. Uh, Structure. I mean the leaf. It almost done. They are almost almost gone. So we been there a bit late. But anyway, just enjoy the view and so beautiful. Yeah, this is the first time that we visit down there. So 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 beautiful actually. So yeah, is someone the interesting going down to the see the landscape and beautiful mountain. Please enjoy down there. It's so awesome. Yes, enjoy in a moment for the fall. Soon, the winter coming. We know we missed all this leaf. Enjoy.